In the burgeoning realm of generative AI, where centralized tools like Midjourney dominate a $50 billion 3D content market, a key constraint lingers: proprietary access that limits creators to subscription models. Yet, as this gatekeeping endures, a decentralized creator arises: 404GEN SN17, the Bittensor subnet, democratizing text to 3D generation through competitive AI. The problem: centralized 3D generators produce millions of assets daily but suffer from high costs and style limitations, restricting 70% of creators. This exclusivity hampers a market growing to $100 billion by 2030, yet confined to walled gardens that curb custom worlds for games and VR. The opportunity. Amid this exclusive landscape, 404GEN SN17 emerges as a groundbreaking democratizer, trading at a $2.44 alpha price with a $10.38 million market cap and 68% APY. While the world sleeps, SN17 generates soda 3D models with zero subscriptions. As V2 catalysts unfold, anticipate yields surging, while Tau sits at a tactical $201.18. Real example. Imagine an indie game dev paying $500 a year for proprietary 3D tools, facing 25% generation failures due to style biases. This centralization creates barriers in a $50 billion market, where decentralized alternatives could save $10 billion annually in costs and time. The SN17 404GEN fix, 404GEN SN17, rectifies this by establishing a decentralized text-to-3D marketplace. Miners compete to generate high-quality models, while validators score for fidelity and originality. This incentive-driven system reduces costs by 90% and enables open-source assets for the entire world. What is the subnet? SN17 404GEN isn't just a name. It represents the found assets in the digital void. This is Bittensor's flagship 3D generation subnet, built to provide programmable scarcity for the next generation of hybrid digital assets. Its USP isn't just speed, it's the quad mesh topology that makes every model production ready for pro devs instantly. How it works. The process is precise. Users input text prompts, miners generate 3D models using competitive ML. Validators evaluate for fidelity and usability via mesh quality scores. The best model is delivered for download instantly. This cycle ensures superior creativity without central limits. Technical deep dive. At its core, 404GEN leverages TrypoSR for 0.5s speeds, but the real alpha is the quad mesh architecture. While other AI tools spit out messy point clouds, SM17 delivers clean, structured geometry that engines like Unity and Unreal can read without manual retopology. This outpaces centralized tools by 50% in the full production pipeline. Operating model: miners compete to generate models for Tau rewards. Validators score outputs with UMA consensus for equitable distribution. Creators pay fees for premium access, channeling directly to buybacks, creating a sustainable, meritocratic ecosystem. Pricing and economics. Incentive-driven. Free basic generations. Premium, $10 a month for high-res. Miners benefit from low compute costs and a 68% APY. The flywheel is simple. User fees drive buybacks, which drive value back to the network. Data sovereignty and verification. Sovereignty is absolute. 404GEN ensures prompts are decentralized and user-controlled. No central storage. Verification is handled through a dual-layer system, UMA consensus scoring for network health, and fidelity accuracy metrics to ensure 95% plus mesh reliability. We are compliant with emerging decentralized privacy standards, preventing the training bias found in centralized black box models. Team advisors, and partnerships. This isn't a hobbyist play. Led by Ben James at 404GEN, the team brings AI 3D expertise from Atlas, whose clients include industry titans like Square Enix. Strategic partnerships with the Bittensor Core and Blender ensure seamless integration into professional pipelines. We also leverage synergies with SN44 for visual refinement and SN3 for foundational model training. Customer profile. Who benefits? Gaming $50 billion market gets custom assets. AR/VR $30 billion market achieves rapid world building. And film $20 billion market gains generative props. Our target profile includes the 23 million professional developers and indie artists currently paying Midjourney taxes. 404GEN is the sense organ for the $100 billion 3D AI economy of 2030. Roadmap and catalysts. The imminent V2 launch in Q1 2026 introduces multi-prompt expansions and hybrid text-to-image inputs. Roadmap Phase 2 integrates direct AR/VR APIs for exports to Unity and Oculus, fueling tenfold network activity through heightened staking and self-reinforcing TAO demand. Competition overview. Centralized leaders like Midjourney and Adobe command the space but falter under high costs and proprietary locks. 404GEN obliterates them with 50% faster generations, zero subscription fees, and a meritocratic consensus where no single failure stops progress. We are seizing the $10 billion underserved niche of real-time metaverse prototyping that centralized tools simply cannot handle. The entry point. Entry requires tactical precision. Acquire TAO at $201.18 on Binance. Delegate via taostats.io for SN17. Note that at a $10.38 million market cap, liquidity is rising, but slippage can still hit 5 to 10%, so use limit orders. For miners, the barrier to entry is just 5 TAO with setup on 404.xyz taking less than 5 minutes for experienced devs. The 5 TAO yield. Let's crunch the hard numbers. Staking 5 TAO, approximately 1005.0 at 68% APY, delivers roughly 0.28 TAO monthly, or $60 in passive cash flow. Through compounding, reinvesting your rewards quarterly, your effective annual return can push toward 80% plus. As network adoption grows, this 5 TAO stake becomes a high-yielding bedrock asset in the 3D landscape. The bull case. Let's break down the 480x math. The 3D content market is a $50 billion beast. A 5% capture by 2030 puts 404GEN at a $5 billion valuation. Sounds aggressive? That is less than 20% of Unity's peak valuation. We are just betting on a coin. We are betting on the decentralized replacement of a multi-billion-dollar software stack. As the double squeeze intensifies, the $3,000 TAO target moves from if to when. Risks, bear case. We address the shadows. 404GEN is early, meaning a 20 to 30% volatility risk during market corrections. Adoption hurdles include V2 delays and potential regulatory shifts in AI-generated IP. However, with a 68% APY shield and the backing of the Yuma consensus, these risks are the premium you pay for asymmetric alpha that the market hasn't priced in yet. SN17 404GEN is the decentralized infrastructure for the 3D world. With a 10.38 market cap and 68% APY, the opportunity is massive. Don't just watch the metaverse own the mesh that builds it. Join 404GEN Discord, delegate on taostats.io, and secure your future in the AI economy. Buy, stake, chill. Hope you learned something new today. Thank you for learning with us. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Always invest what you can afford to lose. But remember, The biggest risk in this new AI economy is not taking any risk at all. Please like, share, and subscribe to BuyStakeChill. We bring you the real alpha.